I'm going to explain CPI application, how to use CPI application as a user. So I'm gonna log in with a user account. This is the user homepage. You could see that the comment we left in administrator part is shown here, and these are instructions that how to use application, initial setup, and also everyday use. As this part also is term and conditions. When a user registers in the application, they are not assigned to any cooperative. So the first thing that a user needs to do is to be assigned to a cooperative. So you should go to profile page, and this is the cooperative that this user is assigned to. So when a user comes to this page for the first time, there is not any cooperative here. You could add your cooperative by in this part, but first you need to check the cooperative list here to see whether your just let me go back. You first need to check cooperative list to see that is your cooperative in the application or not. So first check this list, and if you find your cooperative in this list, you should ask a administrator to assign you to your co-op. But if you couldn't find your cooperative here, then you could add your co-op using this page. And if you add a cooperative here, that cooperative will be automatically assigned to your account. So if you add a cooperative here and push save, that cooperative will be shown in this table. To add your cooperative, you need to insert the co-op name, industry, and app. These two fields will be filled automatically after you insert the postal code. For example, if you insert this postal code, it shows the province, or if you change it, it shows another province, or if you use something that is not a valid form letter, it will says that this code is not for any provinces. Or if you just write something like this, it says that format doesn't match. So after you add your cooperative here, you could enter data or edit data. You could also use this page to edit your user information or your cooperative information. For example, I'm gonna change my phone number and my last name. Okay, you could it is not shown here, just please refresh the page and you could see the changes. Next page is the enter data page. Okay, here you could enter data just for your cooperative. So when you come to this page, if you are not assigned to any cooperative, this drop down list will be empty and you cannot insert data for any cooperative. But if you are assigned to a cooperative, you could see your cooperative name here and choose it and then insert data for that. For example, I'm gonna and save it. You could use this back to home to back to the main page, or use this cancel button to back to the main page. Okay, for example, I'm gonna to enter data again and use this one, and I go to back home page again. Now I'm gonna to edit data. Okay, if you open this one, this is empty unless you choose the cooperative name first. So after you choose your cooperative name, this year field just will show the years that data already exist for these years in the database. So I'm gonna to edit this data. When you choose the year, it says that you should insert data for all KPIs, because if you leave any KPI empty, zero will be inserted for that KPI in the database. Okay, when you press OK, these data will be shown here. These are the data that had been entered into database for this year. You could also change them. For example, I'm gonna change, and I'm gonna do, okay. I can use this back button or this cancel button to go back to home page. I will use this one. Okay. The next page is KPI definition. You could see the definition for each KPI here. These are the list of the active KPIs. For example, okay, this is the definition, or you can see the other one, or you would like to see all of them. Next page is okay. Next 4 pages are report page. I'm gonna do cooperative report. You could choose from which year to what year. You could see report for related to your cooperative or all cooperatives report. So I'm gonna to see, these are the reports for all years related to your cooperative. You could download it, or download it as PDF, or download it as CSV, or email it to yourself, or cancel and go back to the next page. Okay. This one was cooperative report. I'm waiting for the email that I should receive right now from the application. Also in the cooperative report, you can see all this is empty, because it means that in the for example, in the same industry, there is not more than 3 cooperative. This button will work only if in the same industry province there is more than 2, or at least 3 cooperative. So this might be empty in this case. I'm gonna to industry report now. This is the healthcare. Okay, I'm gonna cancel and go back. Okay, because in healthcare there are a lot of other co-ops, you have this report here. So for example, in industry report, if in that industry there is more than 2 cooperative, you could see this report, which is obviously more than cooperative, but you could not see the name of the cooperatives here. This is the PDF version, and also this is the CSV version. Okay, for example, in province report, This button will work if in your provinces in your province is more than cooperative registered. It means that at least 3 cooperative. Yes, in Nova Scotia there is more than 2 cooperative. And country report, the last page is terms and conditions that each user needs to know. This part was the user homepage of CPI application. I'm gonna log out now. Okay, this is the report that I just received from the application, the email. This is the end of the video. Thank you.